In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt an email on Gmail. Ensuring that your emails are secured is a critical step in maintaining your privacy. Whether you're communicating sensitive information or just want to add an extra layer of security, encrypting your emails can be a straightforward process. Let's dive in and guide you through each step. To begin, open your Gmail account. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice the Compose button. Click on this button to start drafting a new email. It'll open a new window where you can type your recipient's address and your message. Make sure to fill in the subject line and any additional content you wish to include in the body of the email. Now, to ensure your email is encrypted, you'll want to use Gmail's confidential mode. This is found at the bottom of the Compose window, resembling a small padlock with a clock. Clicking on this icon will open up a new dialog box that allows you to set various confidentiality options. Once you've opened the confidential mode settings, you will see several options available. Pay particular attention to the section that deals with expiration dates. You can choose how long you want your message to remain accessible by selecting an expiration period. Options range anywhere from as short as 1 day to as long as 5 years. This ensures that after your chosen period, your email will expire and no longer be viewable by the recipient, adding an extra layer of control to your communications. Next, focus on the SMS passcode setting. This is an optional but highly recommended step to enhance your email's security. By selecting the SMS passcode option, you require the recipient to enter a passcode sent to their phone number before accessing the email. This step is particularly useful if you want to ensure that only the intended recipient can open and view the email's contents. To activate this, ensure that you select the SMS passcode option from the list provided. After configuring all your settings, look towards the bottom of the confidential mode setup window and click on Save. This action will confirm all your choices, applying the desired encryption and security measures to your email. Remember, these settings will apply only to this particular email unless you adjust it for future messages. With these steps completed, you can now hit Send on your email. The recipient will receive a notification about the protected message and will need to follow the prompts to access it securely. This entire process ensures that your email is safely encrypted, keeping your private communications truly private. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to encrypt an email on Gmail, helping keep your digital correspondence as secure as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tech tips and tutorials.